Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the eyes and mouth filter on YouTube. So I'm in YouTube camera. To get this effect, what you have to do, here you will see the effect icon, just tap there. Okay, now scroll up. You see this dog image, eyes and mouth. This is the filter, just tap on it. You can browse the picture from your camera roll like this one, and you will get eyes and mouth there. Okay, you can drag it wherever you want. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, okay, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there and you will be directed to effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on YouTube. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.